to update Windows and how to use Windows Update settings and how to customize Windows Update settings. In this video, we will discuss all about Windows Update settings. Press Win plus I shortcut key to launch on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update, and from the right side, click on check for updates. If any updates available, simply download and install it. Some users have reported that they failed to install or download Windows Update. Then to fix this issue, press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type services.msc to open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In services windows, scroll down and go to the Windows Update services. Find out Windows Update services, right click on it and choose a start. If you found it in a stop mode, then simply right click on it and choose a start. Also apply a double click on it and under startup set it as automatic. After set automatic, your Windows Update will automatically available and download and install. Then the other features in Windows settings are get the latest updates available, turn the toggle button on or off as per your choice. You can pause Windows updates, pause for 1 week. After that, during this week, you cannot download and install automatic Windows update. Update history. Here you can find all your Windows latest update installed in your system. You can see successfully installed on 23 April 2023, and other updates are also available which you have installed in your system. Other driver updates also you can find here, installed driver updates, definition updates, other updates also available here. Now scroll down, uninstall updates. If your system got any error, then you can uninstall any Windows latest update from here under update history. Simply choose uninstall. The installed updates will successfully uninstalled. The another option, go back on this page, and another option is advanced options. Here you will find receive updates for other Microsoft products. You can choose yes or no, turn the toggle button on and off, get me up to date, restart as soon as possible even during active hours, turn on or off from here. Download updates over metered connection. You have option to turn on and turn off from here. Notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. Show notifications when your device requires a restart to finish updating. A notification will receive to restart your system. Also, you can see here active hours. We would not restart your device during these hours. If any restart required, then you can choose set a active hours time period to restart your system. The another option is optional updates. Click on it, and any optional driver update is available, then it will show here. You can also download and install driver updates from this optional updates feature. The another feature is delivery optimization. Click on it and allow downloads from other PCs. Your PC may send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to devices on your local network or on the internet. You can also enable this feature from here. Turn on this feature and the option will available allow downloads from devices on my local network, devices on the internet and my local network. Choose as per your choice and preferences. The another feature is advanced options. Click on it and here you will find download settings. Limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates. You can set a limit. Beyond this limit your bandwidth is not used. So choose a bandwidth from here as per your choice, as per your preferences. Next, go back to the settings page and the another option is activity monitor. Download and upload uses. Here you will find your download statistic, upload statistics and other features you will find here. Then friends, these all are Windows Update settings and changes you want to made in your computer. That's all.